نحن اليوم نحتكم إلى الناس إلى مطلب.
Now we refer to the people, to their demands that those responsible be held to account for this catastrophe that has been underway for 7 years, to their desire for real change, from a government of corruption and malice, of brokers and theft, into a country with rule of law, justice and transparency, to a country that respects its people. In front of this reality, we take a step back, to stand with the people, to fight the battle for change alongside them. We want to open the door to national salvation that Lebanese will help in making. And so, today, I declare the resignation of this government.